welcome to my channel. Are you looking to clear your car in Nigeria but don't know where to start? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll share tips and tricks to help you navigate the process smoothly. So let's get started. Section 1. Understanding the process. Clearing your car in Nigeria involves dealing with several government agencies, including the Nigerian Customs Service and the Nigerian Ports Authority. Understanding the process and requirements is crucial to avoid delays and extra costs. Section 2. Documents required. Make sure you have the following documents: Bill of Lading, Commercial Invoice, Certificate of Origin, Vehicle Inspection Report, Customs Import Form. Payment receipt for duties and taxes. Remember to authenticate your documents and ensure they are in order before arriving at the port. Section 3. Calculating duties and taxes. Duties and taxes can add up quickly. Understand how to calculate them using the CIF, cost, insurance, and freight value of your vehicle. Don't forget to include additional charges like VAT and surcharges. Section 4. Clearing your car at the port. When clearing your car at the port, ensure your documents are in order. Pay duties and taxes. Inspect your vehicle for damage. Obtain a release order from customs. Remember to work with a reputable clearing agent to facilitate the process. Section 5. Tips and tricks. Here are some extra tips to keep in mind. Research and understand Nigerian import regulations. Use a reputable shipping line and clearing agent. Insure your vehicle during transit. Keep records of all transactions and communications. By following these tips and tricks, you'll be well on your way to clearing your car in Nigeria without any issues. Clearing your car in Nigeria requires patience, understanding, and the right guidance. If you have limited funds and you don't want Nigerian car dealers to exploit you as a first-time car buyer, then you'll need to always watch the videos I post every day on this channel. And you'll need to know what your favorite car dealers know. You'll need to know how they normally import those foreign used cars you always admire at their car stands to Nigeria. Let me reveal something to you. I've been in the car importation industry since 2008, and I can confidently tell you that almost all the popular car dealers, offline and online, get their foreign used cars from either Burger Auto Market Lagos or Copart USA. You can make a quick Google search to confirm this by yourself. Now, the sweet thing is that getting it directly from Copart is always cheaper. And importing a car from Copart USA to Nigeria is not hard. You just need to know the 4 simple car importation stages involved and the right way to calculate the exact budget that will bring any car you want down from Copart and clear it in Nigeria. That's just it. Your favorite car dealers are not doing anything special. They just know the 4 simple car importation stages involved and the right way to calculate the exact budget for any car they want and make it fall within the budget they give you or the budget they want. Copart is your virtual car stand, with hundreds of thousands of cars all lined up waiting for you. The only thing you have to do is just pick the car or cars you want, win the bid for them, or use the buy now option if you don't like stress. Make your payment. Then send the cars down to Nigeria, while your clearing agent takes care of the clearing process when the car finally arrives in Lagos Port, Nigeria. But don't get too excited. Importing your first car from Copart USA to Nigeria yourself is worth it. But you'll have to be patient enough to have the car sent from Copart to Lagos Port within an average of 6 to 9 weeks. And also be ready to pay above car stand prices sometimes. However, the good thing about importing your first car from Copart to Nigeria yourself is that you're getting exactly what you like, without anyone adding unnecessary profit margins here and there. If you want to see how you too can import your first car from Copart USA to Nigeria without the assistance of anyone, then You can either check out the video I left in the description or the one that will pop up on your screen towards the end of this video to see how you too can import your first car from Copart USA to Nigeria without the assistance of anyone. The video clearly breaks down the 4 simple car importation stages all your favorite Nigerian car dealers follow when they want to import any car from USA to Nigeria. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please leave a comment below and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more informative videos. Thanks for watching.